Welcome to a couple of bunkies.
My wife and I were looking for a rake for our tractor, and we ended up finding one on Marketplace. And during the sale, they offered us a free Briggs Stratton push mower. At the time, the lawnmower was in pieces, and I thought, hey, I might as well just throw it inside of the back of the truck and see what happens. Surprisingly, after putting everything back together and a quick oil change, the entire thing was up and running and had absolutely no issues. And since I didn't have any idea whether I'd get that push mower running or not, I decided not to film anything, and it would have made a really good video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to raise the deck on this push mower and replace a badly bent blade. Okay, so we're going to start off by removing the old blade. There are 3 bolts holding the blade onto the shaft of the engine, and it comes off easy peasy. Now earlier that week I ended up hitting a very large rock, completely stopped the engine on the push mower, and I thought it was done for. But I was able to straighten up the blade and get the engine running. The small Briggs Stratton engine really outdid itself. The bent blade ended up making some extreme vibrations, so I went ahead and bought a replacement. I was able to find this dethatching blade at Maynard's, and the setup is fairly easy. You just install the nylon cords facing down. Now with this dethatcher, I need to go ahead and raise the mower a little bit. It's kind of like sweeping your lawn. On this old push mower, I have to remove the wheels individually and set them to the lower setting. You can do this with 2 crescent wrenches, or like I did, use an impact and a crescent wrench. Now that the deck is raised on the push mower, I can go ahead and start installing the new Thatcher blade. The blade is held in with 2 nut and bolts and a nut that threads into the shaft of the lawnmower engine. Okay, now that we have the blade on, let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing started. Start off by priming it a few times and giving it a pull. And again, thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe.